Welcome to Love Lines.
Ito naman ang ating bubuksan. Ayan. Asan yung item nito? Ilang item? Ay, one item to. Buy one, take one. Okay. Ayun. Buy one, take one. Ilang pieces? 30 pieces. Ilang pieces to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Akala ko 20 pieces. Ay, oo nga. 30 pieces ka. Yan. 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ang laman ng kada isa. Ayun. So, yeah. Ayan. 30 pieces. 30 pieces nga. Ano yun? Buy one, take two. Parang gano'n. Ay. Available sa aking TikTok shop. Ito. Green tea flavor. Green tea flavor yan eh. Kaya green. Ayan. Facial tissue. Okay. Ayan. May bitbitan. Thank you once again for watching. Have a good day and God bless. And don't forget that watching you guys' beautiful creation. See you in the next. God bless. Mama. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Love Lines. Have a good day and God bless.